Welcome back to part 3 of your lessons. This is actually part C. If you are looking at this lesson, what you'll notice is it looks just like the last lesson, but I've taken away one more piece. Instead of having a box that you can drag and drop answers from, it are all typable boxes. So we are going to have to put the numbers in ourselves. So there's nothing for you. There's not a box that has the choices, so we have to do it. So we're looking at 15 times 3. So I know that 15 is made up of 10 and 5. So I'm going to double click and type in 10. I'm going to come over to this one and double click 5. Finally, my second number, double click and 3. Okay, now I can multiply. So I'm going to take my smaller two, 3 times 5. Whoops. Don't you love that? It's 15. And 3 times 10 is 30. Okay, so I'm going to write those two down, and I want to make sure that I add those together. So 30 plus 15, 5 plus 0 is 5, 3 plus 1 is 4, so my answer is 45. Okay, not too bad. Let's go to the next one. All right, so 11 is made up of 10 and 1, and then 7. So let's multiply our smaller one. 7 times 1 is, double click, 7. 7 times 10 is 77. And I realize this is an easy problem, and if you know your multiplication tables, you should know this one. This one's easy. But it still shows the fact that it's not that hard, but you can break up even simple numbers. Okay, we're going to do one more together, and then you're on your own to finish all of the slides for this section. Okay, 29. We know it can be broken down into 20 and 9, also broken down into 4. Okay, we're ready to multiply. 4 times 9, double click, type in 36, and 4 times 2 is 8. Plus I'm going to bring down that 0, and the answer is 80. So now I need to add 80 plus 36. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. So I'm triple here. 116. And there's my answer. So continue through all of these problems until you get to the next section. Well done.